Hi, my name is Netradyne. Proud to be here today to announce our collaboration with Eminent Transit. They have actually selected us as technology partners to deploy our technology on all their vehicles which they lease out to their customers. We're very proud of the fact that our technology has proven to be a huge impetus in reducing accident levels.
Afternoon. Myself is Praveen, I'm a business manager from Eminent Transit. Eminent Transit has been established in 2017. Mr. Ravi Kiran is IMD. He has been having an operational background of more than 18 years in the travel industry. And we have been branch office is located in Bangalore, Sakar Nagar. In the Pan India presence also we do have like branch offices in Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, and in the remote location also we do have. In our fleet size compared to the other things, like we have 1,700 plus in the fleets. We have been covered more than the cities like metro, non-metro cities, and even for the remote locations. And we do have more than 60 corporate clients, which is include for the manufacturing unit, pharma, and IT company, non-IT company as well also. And coming to the Netradyne camera, have been installed in all the fleet because of the safety concern in the late night cabs for the especially for the female employees, that we have been taken initiative, and it has been centralized from the Sakar Nagar office from the Eminent Transit. Our fleet team will be monitoring on 24/7. Like we have a QRT team also. We have any resolution for the quick response also. Our fleet team will be taking a care on this part. And the AI dash camera is more useful to us for the future as well also. We are implementing for the school buses, like we have a future plan for that.